Hey everyone, my name is Heba and welcome back. My husband and I, we're going on a trip, and in this video I'd like to show you what's in my carry-on suitcase. I have a carry-on suitcase and a personal bag. And my husband also has a carry-on suitcase and his personal bag. And we're going to Europe and we're so excited that we're finally traveling again. And it's been 3 years since we've been there. And we vlogged that trip. It was to Italy, and I'll link those videos down below if you want to check that one out. And in that video we also used carry-on luggage. Actually, my husband used the carry-on suitcase with wheels and I used a backpack. And we love traveling that way. That was so fun, and I love using a backpack. But since we're going to Europe in the winter time, I'll be wearing a thick coat, and I need, a little bit more clothing in there, a little bit more thicker clothing, sweaters and stuff. So I'm not going to use a backpack because with a backpack and a thick coat, I think that would just be too cumbersome. So I'm not going to use a backpack this time, but I am going to use a carry-on luggage with wheels. So let me go ahead and set up the camera and I'll show you what's in my bags. First, let me show you the bags that we'll be using. This is my carry-on bag with my personal item, and this is my husband's and his personal item. Now, it looks like I do have a lot of stuff, and I do. But hopefully they'll consider this one as a personal bag. If not, I don't know what we're going to do. Probably check this one in. But I think it'll be okay because I'm going to try to flatten this as much as possible. And it is kind of, personal. Oh, hey, Oliver. Come on. I'm gonna miss our cats. As you can see, we have two different types of luggage, the soft-sided luggage and the hard case. Myself, I prefer the soft-sided luggage. To me, I just think you have more room in here. When you open it up, you're just using the top flap open. You don't have to lay it on the ground and open it up like a book. And if you want to get something real quick, say for instance, something for TSA, you can just open up the top corner, just reach in here and pull it out. That was a struggle, really. And you do have a lot more room inside because it's not split in half, because when you open this one, it opens up like a book. And you also have outside pockets. With the hard case, your things are protected. I'd give it that. It is protected. And it is lightweight. This is the away luggage. Mine is the Samsonite. I've had this one, I don't know, maybe 10 years. It still has 2 wheels. This one has 4 wheels. And then my personal item bag, this is by Wander. I just ordered this, and it's the Provoke bag. This is more for your camera equipment, laptop, plugs, SD cards, batteries. That's the reason why I got this bag, because it has a case in here that can protect all your cameras. And this one does come in a backpack form, and it does have a strap that you can slide it through the handle here on the suitcase, so it makes traveling a lot better. And then my husband's personal bag, I can't remember the name of this brand, but he can also put some clothes in here, things that he wants to wear on the plane, things that he needs on the plane. He can put his laptop in this one, and this one also has a sleeve that you can put over the handle. And I wonder if you can hear Oliver purring. He's just purring away. We are sure going to miss our cats. But our son and daughter-in-law will come here often to check in on our cats. Well, all right, let me go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what I have. Here's my bag, and this is the Soft Carry-On by Samsonite. Has 2 outside pockets here. This one, it's not very deep. It's perfect for your tickets or extra reading glasses. And then this one here is a little bit bigger. This one, I'll probably put my laptop in. And let's see what's in the big compartment here. I do have a lock just in case we need to check it in. But I do like to have a soft carry suitcase because when you open it up, you have all this space and you also have pockets inside the lid. Let me move it over a little bit. So in this mesh pocket, I do have another pair of glasses just in case. Toothpaste, extra Ziploc bags, extra locks, floss, a protein bar. This is probably where we'll put our toothbrushes. And in this one, this is a waterproof pocket. Some of the Airbnbs that we booked do have a washer and dryer, so I did bring some detergent just in case they didn't have any. You never know. And then what's in this bag is our things for the shower. My razor, shower gels, shampoo, conditioner, body scrubs. So when we get to the hotel or Airbnb, we'll just dump this in the shower, and when we're ready to go, I'll just put it back in here in this waterproof bag. Oh, and there's also a loofah sponge in here too. So it's good to kind of keep things together. That's what I like to do. Now this top item here, it does take up a lot of space, but we love taking it with us on airplanes. It is a nice shawl that can double up as a blanket. It's by Barefoot Dreams, so it's very soft. It's quite big. Hopefully you'll be able to see it in action on the plane. But again, it's by Barefoot Dreams. It is ribbed and it's so soft. It will keep you nice and warm in the airplane because it is kind of cold in the airplanes. And another thing that's so nice in here, with this is that it has pockets. So you can put your phone in here, maybe some Kleenex. So we do like to use this as a blanket on the plane, or we can double it up as a shawl. And I know that this does take up a lot of space, but really we like to use this one for a blanket instead of using the blankets that the airlines gives us, because it could be small, it could be paper thin, but yeah, gotta travel with this shawl by Barefoot Dreams. Do have some protein bars just in case, we get hungry. Now the first bag I like to show you, this is my cleansers. So whenever we get back to the hotel or Airbnb, you want to wash your face, take the makeup off. So what I have in this one are these cotton squares to take off the eye makeup, the micellar water to take off the eye makeup, a cleansing cloth, a cleansing balm, and some cleansing oils, all travel size. Hopefully I can finish it all and just put it in the recycle bin while we're there so we have more room for souvenirs. This is I think it's called the Foreo. This is what I use to cleanse my face with. Put the cleansers on it, and here are my cleansers, and I'll just put the cleanser on the Foreo and just scrub my face with it. And I also have some samples of exfoliation. And then the last product here is by First Aid Beauty, and it's the Radiance Pads. This just kind of helps if I missed any makeup, especially on the side of my face. This just kind of cleans it up. Do have a plastic bag just in case we need something extra. Now this Nordstrom bag has all my makeup, and in it there's another bag in here, and this has my brushes, and here is my makeup. For eyeshadows, I am taking the single eyeshadows by Shawkat, just do a one and done, and this palette by Charlotte Tilbury, this is mostly matte palette, so if I need anything else I can just pull in some of these colors in here. And then I have samples of primers, and for my foundation, this is the one by Cicely Paris. I just put it in this little sample container from Nordstrom, and that way I don't have to take the big bottle with me, and whatever I don't use I will just throw it away. But this is all my makeup in here. I have some flip-flops just in case. We are going to try to go to the Hungarian baths, and you do need flip-flops to walk around the place. Do have another scarf in here. This one's a little bit smaller. Now these two bags, these are my skincare bags. This is for the morning time, and this is for the evening. In the morning time, it's all samples. That way when I finish it, I can just throw it away. But I'll put a picture of what's all in here. I have a lot of things here from La Mer. Love my products from La Mer. And I also have masking products because I also like to mask in the morning. And in this bag, it's all my nighttime routine. So after I cleanse my face, I will use these. Got some toners, my favorite skincare from L'Occitane, the Overnight Reset Serum, and again, samples. That way you can just use them and throw it away. Now in this bag, this is my hair products bag. And here I got my white tooth comb. My Q-tips are in this bag. I don't know why. Now I did find these at Walmart, and this is where I'm putting my shampoo and conditioner. I probably should put it in here, and I think I will do that. I have my hair clip, I have mousse styling gel. Now my husband loves this one, so I went ahead and brought this one for both of us to use. It's by Orbe, the cream for style. And also these two products, I love them for my scalp. This is by Briogeo. This is great for itchiness, and I've been using this bottle for a long time, and I just refill it whenever we go anywhere. And this one's also for the scalp. It's by Cicely Paris, and this one just makes my hair feel soft and just healthy looking. So I will keep these back whenever I finish it so I can refill them when we go back somewhere else. Have my brush. I'm not bringing my hair dryer because most of the hotels now have hair dryers and Airbnbs. That will save me some space, so I'll just use the hair dryers that they have. But I am bringing my brush. I'm bringing this too, some flushable wipes, you never know, and then a mirror. Let's see what else. We have my hat and my gloves are inside here. And yes, I am a Dallas Cowboys fan, and the Dallas Cowboys will be represented wherever we go. No hating, please. No hating. We all love our teams. But just in case if it's really cold, I have this hat. It's fleece lined, so it'll keep my head warm. And then, of course, gloves. Got another protein bar here. I am using packing cubes, and I have to tell you that I wasn't too sure about them. I thought it was just a gimmick, something for you to spend your money on. So I tried it one time, and yeah, we got a pack with packing cubes. I think it saves space. You can group them, organize them together with clothes, undies, and all that stuff. So let's start with this small one here. This is just a little bag. I'm going to put our address in it and keep it inside the bag just in case it gets lost. But this bag has my undies and bras. So I'm not going to show you what's in here, but it's a perfect size for that. In this one, let's see. I do have my pajamas and 2 polo shirts and some comfy pants. This is just to lounge around in the hotel. Don't want to wear my jeans or my sweaters. It's kind of like what I'm wearing right now, these comfy pants and this polo shirt, something that I feel comfortable in. And in this one are my socks. I think I brought 3 pairs and 2 of them are compression socks and 1 sock is by Barefoot Dreams, just kind of keep my feet warm. And I think this packing cube is perfect for the socks. I can stuff some more things in here just in case, but for now it's just my socks. I am bringing a curling iron. This is by T3. I like it because you can separate them. It saves space. And it's the 1-inch barrel with the little clip, I guess. This thing. Now this last packing cube, this one will have my jeans, my sweaters, and my base layers. So here are my jeans, and this is the top base layer, and hope you can see that 3 sweaters. 2 of them are kind of thin, and 1 is big down here. I did put my pants base layer on this side, just had it rolled up. There was some space in here and I just shoved it in there. But I am bringing 1 pair of jeans. I think that's going to be enough. It is clean. They do say the jeans stretch out the more you wear it. So it is washed, so it'll fit me nice. But we'll be doing a lot of eating, so I don't think it will stretch very much on me. I think I'll stretch it out. And then what I'm wearing on the plane are my travel clothes. So those are the only kind of 2 pants that I'm bringing on this trip, besides my comfy pants. And that is it. That is all that I'm taking in my carry-on. Now let me show you what's in my personal bag. Let me pack everything back up. So here's my personal item. It's a backpack by Wander. It's called the Provoke 21. So it's a 21-liter bag. And this is mostly to house the equipment, camera equipment, the electronics, chargers, and all that good stuff. So here's what the front looks like. And as you can see, it does have a pocket for my water bottle, which is perfect. Now I just got this. There are a lot of videos that will give you more explanation about this bag. But the one thing that I really did like it is that it has a roll top and a handle. So you can carry it like, you know, a bag. The handles are magnetized, so they'll be together. And then the roll top is Velcro. I don't know. I just like this roll top look. But let me get to that first. Again, this is the front. There is a zipper down here. You can put something flat like papers, maybe some chargers if you need it right away. So you saw what's on this side, and on this side there's another zipper, and this is more for a quick access for your camera. So instead of taking everything out, you can unzip this and your camera's right there, easy to grab. Now here's the back. There are straps on it, so if you want to use it as a backpack, you can. There were some waist straps, but I decided to take that off because I think that would just be too many things flying around. It does have a strap so you can slide it down the handle of the carry-on, and there is a hidden zipper in here. So you can put your passport, your wallet, whatnot, and you know it's going to be protected because this will be behind you against your back. And then you can access your bag from the back. It comes with really nice zippers. And it has a clamshell opening, and I hope you can see that. This is the place where I'm keeping my cameras, lenses, chargers, tripod, all in this one. This also has some pockets on the lid. You can also put some more chargers, memory cards, all that good stuff that you need. And there is another slide-in pocket for your laptop. Now this one's a very snug fit for my 16-inch laptop. Very snug. So I'm just going to keep my laptop in the carry-on. There's another pocket up here, and this is where I'm keeping the things for like the microphone, another little bag for memory cards and chargers, and my headphones, and you can also put your wallet in here, and there's also access from the roll top. Oh, and it looks like that there's another zipper in here. Oh, it's felt tip, so you can probably put your phone in here so you don't scratch it up. And then the roll top access right here. Love this. I just think it looks so cool. So again, you roll it up. Oh, let me turn it around. So when you unroll it, you can grab what's in here. And this is the same axis here from the back way. So yeah, I think this is a really cool looking bag. We'll see how it works. It's the first time I'll be using it, but I just like that roll top feature. So that is what I'll be carrying. Let me quickly show you what's in my husband's bag. He packed his up, so hopefully I won't undo what he did, but let's just look at it anyway. So here's my husband's bag. It's the hard case from Away. He loves the hard case. It protects his things, and this one does have 4 wheels. Mine only has 2 wheels. Let's see if we can try to open this thing up. So when you open it up, it's not just the lid. There's also some things on this side, and you do need space so you can lay it flat when you need to get something from your suitcase. He's also using packing cubes, and let's see what we got on this side. This one I know is our swimming suits and our cover-ups. Like I said, we're going to try to go the Hungarian baths. So this one's more of a liner, so it'll be waterproof. So this one has my and Shawkat's swimming suits in here. I believe this is another packing cube. Maybe it's socks. I don't know. Oh, this one's his flip-flops. He put it in a plastic bag. And this one's the compression side. You can unclip this. And you can also put some things here inside this little mesh pocket. And here are his packing cubes. This looks like his sweaters. Oh, sorry, his undies and maybe t-shirts. But it's all nice and grouped together. So let me go ahead and cover his undies. And that's all that's in his bag. I need to put some of my stuff in here. He doesn't have that much stuff. And then this one is his personal bag. I don't know the name. Let's see, Briggs and Riley. It does have handles and a shoulder strap. Nice and padded there. There is an outside pocket here. Probably put your passport. And there's a zipper pocket in here. Again, you could probably put some plugs in here, paperwork, and let's see. I think this is the main compartment. These are his clothes that he's going to wear on the plane. So he really doesn't have a lot in his personal bag. So I may put some of my stuff in here. And there is another zipper right here. And I believe he's going to put his laptop in here. So there's a section that you can slide your laptop in here. And some more electronics and plugs that we've got going on right there. And on the back, it does have this little sleeve that you can slide it down the handle of your carry-on bag. These are the things that we'll be taking with us on our trip to Europe. Just a carry-on and a personal item. And I do hope that we don't have to check in our carry-on. And hopefully we'll be doing some vlogging of our trip. I do have a new camera. I'm trying this new gimbal. It's just not working. We'll see how it goes. It may not be the best quality, but but we're still gonna have fun. Well, all right, you guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.